Roasting chestnuts in the oven isn't just easy, it's also super tasty. We all know the feeling. It's cold and dark outside. You're cozy at home and you crave something warm to snack on. First, give the chestnuts a good wash and scrub them thoroughly. You'll notice the water gets murky quickly. This deep cleaning prepares the chestnuts perfectly for soaking and helps you check their quality. Pour fresh water over the chestnuts and let them soak for 1 to 2 hours, overnight or up to 24 hours. If any chestnuts float, they're spoiled and should be discarded. Score the chestnuts across the shell to prevent them from drying out in the oven. The longer the soak, the softer and juicier they become. A short soak makes peeling easier, while a longer soak results in especially tender and juicy texture. If you'd like to support us, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Bake the chestnuts for 15 to 25 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius or 480 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on their size. Don't they look delicious? Peel and enjoy them while they're still warm. Here's another tasty fall recipe: pasta with porcini mushrooms.